First, we mount the bag on the frame, as shown in the video. As you can see in the picture, there are 3 different layers of PP board, 2 side and 1 central. Let's now see how to mount them. Carefully follow the shape of bag as shown in video. Proceed now to insert the PP board into the bag. Proceed now with the 2 missing layers, always following the steps shown in the video. Via Velcro attachments, you can remove the inner bag as you see in the video. This inner bag is completely waterproof and with the possibility of being closed even when not inserted in the bag. To ensure total water resistance, it is important to roll up the roll top at least 3 times. Once the roll top is closed, we go to pull and roll up the straps. For extra security has been added this system extra lock that once activated does not allow the release of the clip. To remove the front panel, release the clips. Via the MALA system, it is possible to add a cargo bag. For securing the cargo bag to pass the straps inside the loops following the steps shown in the video.